Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to perform basic life support, or CPR. CPR is a vital life-saving technique that can help someone in cardiac arrest to stay alive until professional help arrives. Knowing how to perform CPR can make all the difference in an emergency situation. CPR is a combination of chest compressions and rescue breaths. The chest compressions help to circulate oxygenated blood around the body, while the rescue breaths provide oxygen to the lungs. Remember, it is important to continue performing CPR until professional help arrives, or until the person starts breathing again. CPR can be tiring, so if there is someone else around, you can take turns performing the compressions and rescue breaths. In conclusion, learning how to perform basic life support, or CPR, can be a valuable skill that can help to save lives. By following these simple steps, you can provide life-saving assistance to someone in cardiac arrest until professional help arrives. Thank you for listening, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.